you put the carrots inside, you get it to number 2. Now, you get it upside down, shake, shake, shake. Hit this button, shake, shake, shake. Then you mix it up. Then I taste it. And now I need this to move it somewhere. Okay. Not ready yet. Then you move the Then you stir it again. Then you stir it again. Then you taste it again. Not done. Now you just do this to another number. Now you just scrabble, shake, shake thing. And then you hit this button, a line 1. Then carrots. Ta-da! Now it's time to put a special ingredient, salt. Now it's time for me to stir it. Then you get some more stuff, Then you get some more carrots, like there, number 2. Now we're going to get it and see how it tastes. Then it's going to be ready. Then I'm going to put it in the oven. Then I'm going to put it in the bowl. Okay, now it's time to get it in the oven. It's ready. Now it's time to put it inside the bowl. And now I need a spoon. There. Now it's all ready.
Sorry.
Now it's ready.
Let me see how it looks. Yum, yum. Qué bueno.
Now it's yummy and sweet. Oh, there's one more thing. It goes with salt.
Sarah, no. No.
Yes, you have to get
No.
your finger.
Sarah? Hey, Sarah, no. 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 No, no, no. Sarah? Sarah, no.
Now,
No.
taste.
No.
Now you taste it, okay?
Okay.
It's going to taste so good.
Mmm. Qué rico. Yum. Qué bueno.
Now, I'm going to put here is the chocolate dipper. The chocolate dipper is so yummy. Here. Now taste it with the chocolate dipper. It's going to taste super, super yummy with the chocolate dipper.
Qué bueno. Me encanta. Con el chocolate está más rico, ¿eh?
And now what else you want? Is this, okay? Now your dessert. It's going to be butter ice cream.